Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming your carrier allows roaming on your plan so you don't get surprised by charges. Once done, open Settings and go to Network and Internet, then Mobile Network. Toggle data roaming on. Make sure you're charged above 50% and note any carrier emergency numbers. This prevents interruptions. You're now ready for network selection. Next, you'll choose the right network mode and operator so data behaves predictably while abroad. Now you pick the network mode and operator to balance speed and battery. Go to Mobile Network, choose preferred network type, set to 4G for best throughput or 3G to save battery. This matters because some foreign networks lack 4G. If automatic selection flips between operators, disable automatic operator selection and manually choose a reliable local carrier. This prevents repeated reconnections. Once connected, confirm mobile data works and that MMS and calls route correctly. If not, adjust APN next. Finish by verifying APN settings so data and MMS function. Open access point names and compare values to the local carrier. Edit or add one if needed. If you see no service, toggle airplane mode for 10 seconds, then reboot the phone and, if necessary, remove and reinsert the SIM. This forces a fresh registration. If problems persist, contact your carrier to confirm roaming provisioning or purchase a temporary roaming add-on. Also set data usage alerts so you avoid unexpected charges while roaming.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.